was recently gifted 12 outdoor solar lights. I'm going to show you what you get in the box, how you install them, and then finally show you what they look like at night. First of all, they come all neatly packaged in one box, and you do get a set of instructions, and then you do get 12, so 1 dozen of the actual lights. And then you will have 2 installation options to do this. Number 1, they give you screws if you do want to screw it into either your deck or something like that, that you can screw it in using the screws. But I'm not going to do that. I am going to use the ground ones, which you get 2 different stakes, and then you just put those 2 together, just like that. And that you can install right on the bottom. Very easy to push on. And then you do need to remove the film that's on top. And they do come with a little bit of a charge. So I take that off. And then you hold down this button right here. Hold that down. Then I'm going to cover up the top. So you'll see it does come on. I am going to have to put it outside to charge up with the sun. But you do have 9 different lighting options. Let me go through them all with you. All you have to do is press the button. Pretty cool, huh? So what I'm going to do is, when I take off my hand, of course, it's going to think that it's light out. Put my hand on, thinks it's dark. So what I'm going to do is install these outside. It is July 4th around here, so you'll see me install those with our July 4th decorations. And we'll take a look at how they look during the day, and especially when they light up at night. Okay, here is where I'm going to be installing into the ground using the stakes. As you can see, just easily goes in. And I'm going to repeat that 12 times because I have 12 of them. We'll see how they look at night. Oh yeah, now look how spectacular that looks. Fantastic. And I am going to try some different colors, but look how spectacular that all looks. Okay, now look at it at a whole different angle with the red and the blue. I think it looks actually quite spectacular. And finally, here we have it with all the different random color lights and flashings that I put on. So there you have it. So many different options. Waterproof, easy to install, charges throughout the day, very strong charge. I would highly recommend.